Hello and welcome to another spectacular thing. We built a Raspberry Pi NAS. We built an automatic backup station on Linux. But what about Windows? I've gotten quite a few questions from people asking, why can't we do this on Windows? Well, you can, and it's very, very simple. And today I'm going to show you how to do it. So sit back, relax, and watch. Thank you. First thing we're going to do is install the software. Go to MakeMKV.com and download version 1.18.3 or whatever's the latest version. Then you just click next, you accept the license, click next, 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 and then it installs. And then we want to go ahead and close this because we're going to use the SDF Flash tool, which is linked down in the comments below, or in the description below, as well as the All You Need firmware pack from Marty McNuts. Just select the firmware for your drive and click start, and that's all there is to flashing the tool, flashing your drive in Windows. Then we're going to go ahead and launch the app. In the app, you'll notice that there's some drive information as well as Libre information. The status should say enabled. If your drive has been flashed properly, it'll say enabled. So let's stick a disk in and we'll go ahead and rip it. So select the title that you want and click rip and watch it go. This will take, it took about an hour for me. I'm fast forwarding, or I'm making this really fast right now so that it's not as labor intensive to watch this video. The Windows software works about as well as it does on Linux. Linux is more automated. You can automate the process like with automatic ripping machine, ARM, as you saw in a previous video of mine. But here on Windows, it's a graphical user interface as opposed to a command line interface that I was showing on Linux. There is also a graphical user interface for Linux that I did not show. And once this finishes, you can just copy the files over to your NAS or to your file share where you keep your movies and TV shows. And Jellyfin or Plex will pick it right up. I have videos on Jellyfin that I will link in the description below. MakeMKV is a great software, and I highly recommend that you purchase and register it as soon as you start using it more often. So that's the setup for Windows. What did you think? It's pretty straightforward and it gets you about 90% of the way there. It's not automated, but you still have to click a few buttons and type in some paths. But other than that, it works, and it works good. So what'd you think? Is this something that you would like to try out? If you want an automated approach, see videos 1 and 2 in this series. Otherwise, stick with Windows. It works and it's great. You still have the Disney problem, but that can be fixed with some paid software. I haven't tried the paid software, but I hear that it's good. You need other hardware that I don't have to do it. You need a different drive than I have, but maybe I'll give that a try. If you guys want to see that, let me know down in the comments. And while you're down there, give me a subscribe and ring the bell so you're notified when new videos come out, and give us a like. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.